Hello everyone, this is Systemeio again. Thank you very much for joining me. And in this video, I've decided to share with you about this new software that I have started using. Actually, it's more of a replacement of another software. I'll tell you the reason why I made that move, okay? But if I am a new beginner and I found this software, it's called Systemeio. It has all the features necessary for us to start our online marketing. And you know what's the best part? It is free. It offers a free account or free level account, and of course you can upgrade to the basic startup and a little bit more function, a little bit more wider options. Yeah, but to start off, really, you can just work on the free account itself, and it's probably enough for you to get started. Okay, I have been using ClickFunnels, and if you have explored ClickFunnels, you know that it is one of the best software around. It's got fantastic customer support, but it is a little pricey. Okay, especially if you've just started. The basic plan starts at $97 a month. If you want to have more features, and they have the enterprise package, which will cost all the way up to $297. So it can be quite hefty, especially for beginners. When you're just starting and you're just learning, then I would say take a look at Systemeio. Even I have been doing this for some time. I found that Systemeio will help me to get more benefits, more features, at the same time reduce my operating cost. Okay, feature wise, for take ClickFunnels as the benchmark. They're good. They've got lots of training material. I can't really fault them because they're almost like the forerunners of landing pages, funnel creation. Okay, and if as a beginner you need a simple website, as a beginner you need a landing page to promote one product, two products, and so forth. As a beginner, you may want to have you want to start collecting contacts, harnessing your email list, and that's what Systemeio can do for you at zero cost. And that's the reason why I'm sharing this with you, because I know how difficult it was for me when I first started. People don't want to. We all don't want to spend money, unnecessarily, and you cut your costs as low as possible until you have made enough money, and therefore all these operating costs really, will not be of major concern anymore. So, if you need a website, if you need an email autoresponder, if you need to have a platform where you can actually host your training program, a lot more things can be done with Systemeio, as I mentioned to you. So let me just quickly go through what I have. I'm just going to do a demo based on, this is a demo account that I've created. I've got two accounts. One is my operating account with loads of stuff in it. Oh yes, let me just mention that since I moved from ClickFunnels, I have got a whole lot of information in ClickFunnels, as in I have got training courses, I have got various funnels for different products, and for different domains, and therefore I have to take a paid plan or paid version because I've accumulated so many assets. And the good thing is, migrating from ClickFunnels, because I don't want to pay for the enterprise, is close to $300, and I just went on with Systemeio. My cost went right down, okay, and I got even more features from that. But the minute you sign up for a free account, you've got all these features available for you. If you need to know, let me just show you, for example, system pricing. Let me just show you the price structure, what you can get with a free account and what you will get if you upgrade. You see the price, it's so affordable. I'm talking about paying almost $300 with ClickFunnels, but with Systemeio, the maximum price is $97. That's what I'm getting for the lowest plan in ClickFunnels. So let's start from the beginning. I started Systemeio with a free account because I wanted to see what I'll be able to do and what's the user experience that I get in comparison to ClickFunnels. So this is what you get. You get 2,000 contacts in your email list, which means you can, when you create a funnel, you want to capture, you want to give away something for free, like a lead magnet, and you want to have contact, you want to collect contacts so that you can build your email list. You have it already integrated for you. You are able to send emails to those contacts, and there's no limit to how many emails you can send. You are able to create 3 funnels, 3 funnel steps. I'll show you what funnels are. And in maximum, you have 3 different funnels, but a total of number of steps, you're allowed 10 steps. Okay, I'll explain to you what steps are. And these are all the funnels. When you start selling items, you want to have some sort of e-commerce, selling a digital product, then you can actually have all this set up very easily. Okay, and there's integration for payment gateway or PayPal, and you can even run your own affiliate program. So you have a training and you want people to sell for you, to be your affiliate, then you can set up your affiliate program. You get your email support. You can even add 1 custom domain. Just bear in mind that you are not paying anything for this. You are getting all that I've gone through with you for free. And really, if you're just starting out, this is a really no-brainer software for you to start with. Okay, let's go on to the actual panel. Okay, the panel itself. And then I think I would need to create a specific training for Systemeio to really use it for a certain purpose. But for this video, I'm just going to give you an overview of what Systemeio is, okay? Because it does take a little bit of time for you to fulfill a particular task by using Systemeio, but it's a very, very efficient software because it has everything all in one dashboard. Perhaps I should just create a separate video whereby I can just show you how to handle a specific task. For example, if you want to create a funnel, how to create a funnel. Okay, I'll do that on a separate video. But for now, I just want to show you what on my free account I have 2 funnels that has a limited number of steps, up to 10 steps. What it means is you can have 2 funnels, but you cannot have more than 10 steps in total. Okay, so for example, now I have got this particular funnel called affiliate funnel, financial freedom for the rest of us. It's just one of the sample funnels. So the first one is the opt-in page. The second one is a squeeze page. Third is an order page. Fourth is an order page. And the 5th is the thank you page. So this is one funnel with 5 steps. And if you remember, we said that the free account has got a maximum of 10 steps. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether I've got 9 pages or 9 steps, which means if I were to create a new funnel, it might not be sufficient for a free account. So like I said, this is for beginners who, you just want to test and see how it goes. This is a very useful tool that you can get started with. And you can also create a free blog. So let's look at a free blog. I have a website on my own, but you see, with this blog page, you are given a template straight away you can actually just use. So let's do a test blog. Okay, I have not connected my personal custom domain, so I will have a system.io domain name. Okay, so let's say my blog or kids blog. All right, then I can create. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. I have this. Oh, I can have a look at it right now. I am a WordPress person. I create websites very easily. I can do that. But this is a one-click thing. You can have all this ready for you. Why not? Okay, and then all right, you can add your post. You can add your contact page. These are just templates. Okay, so you can actually edit this. So this is just a sample. Let's go back to the blog, and when you go to the blog itself, there is blog setting. All right, these are the settings that you have, and then you edit it. Okay, so you see you got 3 pages on your blog. Okay, you can add pages as well. Okay, create a blog page. You can add some more. Blog layout. You can start designing your blog, how you want to have your blog set up, how single column, how many columns you want to put in, the once you play around with it, creating a landing page, creating a funnel, in this case creating a blog, it's exactly the same. The format is on the left panel. You have all the elements that you are able to add into your main section, and then it's given you all the different options. On the left panel basically are your choices. On the right segment shows what you are getting. Okay, and then of course you have this eye symbol, means you can actually look at how it looks. Okay, this is just a preview. This is your blog content. If you put any blog, then that's where it will appear. Okay, so I would say you won't break anything by just playing around with it. Okay, just click on any button, all right, and put whatever you want to try, and that's how you learn. You make mistakes, you see what happens, and that's the best way of learning, is to actually do it. Okay, I mean, to be fair, I have been quite busy. I didn't have time to do everything or make the most of this Systemeio. All I need was to transfer my working funnels from ClickFunnels to Systemeio, and it's working great, and it's capturing all my contacts within Systemeio, and I just created my own campaigns, and that's something that I have explored myself. Okay, creating campaigns, and also the rules and automation. This is a little bit, again, this has a lot to do when you have funnel that is working and you want to make sure that you put certain rules and automation so that things that will be done automatically without you having to check on it all the time. Okay, and over here you are able, on the product side, you are able to sell your physical product. You have coupons, you can create orders and transactions. All this information, these are all offered to you even as a free account user. Okay, all right, let me see. There's just so many things I like to share with you. I'm sorry, I'm just doing this on the fly because I thought before I start doing my work, I just do a quick video. And well, I hope it's been useful, at least a little bit, just so to give you an overview. I promise you I will create something very specific in terms of the actual tasks that you need to complete. But what I would really suggest that you do is simply sign up for the free account, play around with it. If you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, before your next show or what you're doing, or some free time, it's never a wrong time to learn. Is anytime, really. If you have a few minutes, sit down and have a look at it. Just move your cursor around and play around with the software. And that's the best way for me, is when you are familiar with something, it gets easier and you're not too afraid to explore, right? I know, in the beginning, if I'm not a techie person, but I just realized that things cannot be broken so easily. I mean, it takes a lot before you mess up a lot of things, especially if you're new and there's nothing so important yet within your account. Then by all means, do a test, play around with it, and then learn from it. And make sure you watch my next video, and I'll try to bring a lot more to the table. Okay, but all I'm asking from you is, if you want to know more, or if you have any questions, please, the only way for me to find out what you really want is when you comment below this video, or you can actually connect with me via Facebook Messenger. It's Kit Sunny Cool Lifestyle. I'll be happy to hear from you. And I'm a believer, a supporter of people who are willing to learn, people who don't know anything but very keen to experience new things and try out new things. And if I can help you to save all the troubles of trial and errors or making mistakes, I would certainly want to do that, because in life, you can enjoy a lot of things, but I think one of the enjoyment I have is to receive messages from people around the world who say thank you, and that makes me feel good that I've done something good. If I can make your day, and you say something back to me, and that would make my day. I think in life it's more than just worrying about making money. It's also all the small little things that you get from people, and learning and sharing. And I think that is very important in my case, because I work from home, and I think interaction with people all around the world really makes things a lot nicer. It's a lonely time, sometimes you have to work alone, but by doing these videos I get a lot more people connecting with me, and thank you very much. I really appreciate all your time, and certainly, the more the merrier. I'm friends. Okay, so I'll catch up with you again in my next video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.